Warm welcome first of all, and before we proceed, a disclaimer. Below the disclaimer is Shairi Daba, I am one. If you don't understand Hindi, you can read the English one. So it's 3:20 as of now, and we'll begin now. So right now we will discuss about the stocks we can trade tomorrow, right? So in this thing, on daily frame, the stock, today open equal to low kind of, and broken the trend line. If I go in early chart, so taken a support at the previous resistance level of 350, given a sharp one-way move. Now what we can do tomorrow, in case if it gives a pullback up to 360 zone, 360, 363 zone, then with the stop loss at these levels, I will look for a buy for targets roughly at these zone of 385, 390, right? That is case 1. In case if it opens gap up to 374, then I will wait, because as it's today's high, I will wait and watch how it performs there. If it sustains 374, 375, then again a same way, a buy for 385, 390, no doubt. But in case if it just goes out there and trade below the same level, then I will wait it to come down and look for a buy instead of buying at these levels. Better would be always if I get it in the zone of 360, 365 kind of area. That is for IndusInd. And for Titan, here the stock formed a kind of dual bottom, that is W. And today the interesting thing in Titan is it stayed above its resistance, number 1. Number 2 is that complete sideways. No movement at all in one way or the other. If you say there's no movement, and you are very much aware that the stock is very volatile, and if it's not moving, then the same ATR of today you can add up on tomorrow's side. So check out its ATR, and you can add that ATR to tomorrow. Whatever the move would be, you can add up. So for example, right now it's trading at 884 odd level. So in case if I had to trade Titan, I will, with the stock around, roughly 877, 875 zone, I will look to go long in this, even in the CMP. In case if it comes down below that, with the, in case if it comes down, the best stop loss trade it will be definitely 860 to 864 zone. While, on the upside, what I'm looking is, in case if it reaches 890, if let's say it opens gap up, if it reaches 890, then I will look for buy with 878 roughly stop loss, and my target in Titan would be around 920, 930 zone for intraday, I'm saying. So I expect at least a 3.5% plus move in Titan tomorrow from the current levels. That is roughly, if I see 3%, that's let's say 27 rupees, so kind of 900 and 10, 900 and even more on the upside. So this is Titan. Then this guy, formed a kind of double bottom. Today complete sideways, no movement at all. The important level that I need to watch is 3600 roughly. So 3600, 3630 zone. How it behaves, that would be important. So in case it opens gap down kind of or goes sideways here, if I get it here in the zone of 3630, 3660, then it's a buy. Otherwise I will leave it. Another stock, Infosys. Here the thing is, tomorrow it's expiry, so a very tough hurdle of 720 odd zone. If it's coming again after a long time, definitely it won't get reached in a day. So in case if it opens gap up tomorrow at these odd levels of 715, 720, I will look for a sell. So in case if it opens gap up, I will definitely look for a sell side trade in Infy with if I get it at around 760 or let's say 716 to 720 zone. So with at least a 1% SL in that area, I will try to go short for the stock for at least a target of let's say 690 to 685 zone as my target. If I get a short at the upper zone of 720, 716, so that would be something I could trail for. Again, we have discussed in the previous video, one can refer. Second, we have discussed in previous video, one can refer that. And I think we are done for the day. There are many other stocks, but I think that will make the video too long. So thank you for connecting, and I hope tomorrow too your day would be great. Don't get overexcited. Kindly wait for levels. If you miss out, it's fine, but that patience definitely pays you in later part of your life. So it's fine. Go with a complete trade management, risk management, and play the game. God bless you. And in case here you can find 3-year-old studies as well, and here you can learn the things, basics, everything. I'm a part of this particular institute, and I learned from the place. On this financeketta.com, I with one of my colleagues, I write articles here, so you can refer them as well. That is another thing. So thanks for connecting. I think we are done. IndusInd on buy side, Titan on buy side, Ultratech conditional buy, not a blind buy. Only if I see a gap down and at my levels, only then a buy. Infi, sell on rise, definitely at least for tomorrow, not a positional view, at least for tomorrow. So the best stock to be traded, I would love to trade is Titan, and after that IndusInd. So thanks for connecting. God bless everyone, and yeah.